today we are going to be doing some chromatography. Now you will need a strip of paper towel, a bowl of water, and a black washable marker. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take your strip of paper towel and you're just going to draw a horizontal line just on the paper towel. And now you're going to take your paper towel and just dip it in the water. Make sure that you don't dip the whole paper towel in the water or else it will not work. And you will see the water creep up to your black line. And now there should be some colors coming out of your black marker. So it should just look like that. Hey everyone, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.